Power up. With the Mini Flexible Fast Charger, you can charge your fully electric Mini on domestic electric outlets, such as in your garage, as well as high current level electric outlets. This makes car charging as easy as charging yourself, also on a daily basis. Expand your flexible fast charger kit with extra plug adapters to connect to different household sockets and power outputs. For a tidy garage, a wall mount with cable holder is available. You can also connect to an industrial 3-phase socket and charge with up to 11 kilowatt. Depending on your plug and the current level, the charger adapts its maximum charging power. Connect the adapter cable that matches your electric outlet to the charge unit by pushing the plug onto the connector until it snaps into place. Important: make sure the socket has been checked by an authorized electrician. Keep it safe. Never use an extension cable between the flexible fast charger and the socket. Place the charge unit carefully on the ground, or hang it on the wall with the mounting kit. Plug the adapter cable into the electric socket. When LEDs on the charging unit flash, the functionality check begins. The charging status bar flashes orange while the maximum charging power is established. It turns blue when it's ready to use. See? Now plug the charging cable into your vehicle and charging starts. During charging, the status bar flashes slowly in blue. By the way, you can monitor your charging status with your Mini app on your smartphone. Fully charged? Perfect! Just unlock the vehicle to release the charging cable. Unplug it from the vehicle first and then disconnect the adapter cable from the electric socket. You can carry the flexible fast charger with you to use it anywhere you have access to an approved electric outlet. For example, at your friend's place or at work. Continue watching our how-to videos to learn more about your Mini.